Welcome to another episode of Ask Plexus DX. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic. What genes control pancreatic activity and insulin synthesis? Understanding how our body manages blood sugar levels is crucial, and it all starts with some pretty important genes. So let's break it down. The pancreas is this incredible organ that plays a dual role in digestion and blood sugar control. It produces digestive enzymes and hormones like insulin, which is essential for regulating blood glucose levels. When everything's working smoothly, your pancreas releases just the right amount of insulin when you eat. But if there are genetic differences at play, it can lead to issues like insulin resistance or even diabetes. Now, let's talk about some key genes involved in this process. First up is the INS gene, which is responsible for producing insulin. If there are changes in this gene, it can affect how much insulin is secreted, which directly impacts your blood sugar levels. Then we have the GCK gene, which produces an enzyme crucial for regulating blood glucose. Mutations here can lead to defective insulin secretion, increasing the risk of diabetes. Another important player is the HNF1A gene. This one's vital for the function and formation of pancreatic beta cells that produce insulin. Variants in HNF1A can lead to a specific type of diabetes known as maturity-onset diabetes of the young, or MODY. And let's not forget about PARG, which is involved in fat cell development and glucose processing. Changes in this gene can affect insulin sensitivity, contributing to type 2 diabetes. Lastly, we have the TCF7L2 gene, which controls insulin secretion and glucose metabolism. Variants in TCF7L2 are among the highest genetic risk factors for developing type 2 diabetes. So understanding these genes can really empower you to take charge of your health. Now, how can genetic testing help? By analyzing your genetic makeup, you can uncover important details about how your pancreas operates and how well it produces insulin. For instance, if you find out you have a variant in the GCK gene, you might want to enhance your blood sugar monitoring and adjust your diet accordingly. This is where Plexus DX comes in. Our saliva-based genetic tests provide insights into your health, including how your genes influence pancreatic function and insulin production. You can find these tests at plexusdx.com, Amazon, and walmart.com. They cover a range of areas from nutrition to overall health risk management, helping you make informed decisions about your wellness. So if you're curious about your genetic predispositions and want to take proactive steps towards better health, I encourage you to check out Plexus DX. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding your genetics can lead to a healthier you. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Ask Plexus DX. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe. You can find links to our tests in the show notes below. And just a quick reminder, Plexus DX tests are available at plexusdx.com, Amazon, and walmart.com. The following is an important disclaimer. Plexus DX is a personalized health report and laboratory testing service, which enables users to obtain science-based, evidence-backed health and wellness information based on their genome. Always consult a licensed healthcare provider for concerns about your health and before you stop or start any medical treatment.